Do invite a friend over who likes puppets.
Oh no!
Don't invite a friend over who thinks that they're a puppet.
You know, sometimes I just feel like I'm a different person.
Hey guys! Welcome back to Pocket Watch. It's me, Liz, and Thanksgiving's right around the corner, which you know what that means. A fun day filled with family and food. I'm here with the do's and don'ts to tell you how to have the best holiday dinner ever. Do eat turkey stuffing.
Stuffing.
Yum, stuffing.
They call it that because you feel stuffed after.
Oh my God,
That
yeah.
rhyme. The Pilgrims did that.
Don't eat teddy bear stuffing. Hey, Jetta, have you seen Mr. Oh no, Mr. Floof Floof! Stop down, stop down. Do help your grandma to the dinner table.
What a feast!
Oh yeah, just for you. Here we go, I'll take this.
Okay.
Take a seat.
Thank you, honey.
Don't help your grandma beat the dinner table.
Grandma, just make sure to hold real still, all right? You're making things fall.
I'm sorry, I'm very old.
Yeah, all right, well, try harder.
Do invite a friend over who likes puppets.
And I was like, oh no! Just kidding, I'm Captain America.
Don't invite a friend over who thinks that they're a puppet.
You know, sometimes I just feel like I'm a different person.
I think you need to take a nap, Liz.
Do help set the table for dinner.
You did such a good job. Thank you. I think it's my best pie.
Don't help set the table up on a date.
Okay, Jetta, this is who I've been telling you about. Table, meet Jetta, Jetta, meet table.
Liz, I need a boyfriend, not a table.
I'm really sorry, table. We'll get him next time.
It's okay, baby.
Do watch a holiday movie with your friends. Don't watch your friend watching a holiday movie. Do say what you're thankful for.
I'm grateful for my brother.
Oh, I'm grateful for your brother too.
Oh, he's so great.
He's so hot.
Oh.
Don't say what you're not thankful for.
I am not grateful for my neighbors who are too loud.
Yes, I am ungrateful for just people that are happier than me.
Oh, yeah.
I hate that.
You know what else I'm not grateful for?
What?
Traffic.
Do eat your favorite dessert.
The best ever.
The apple pie is so good.
It doesn't even taste 2 days old. Tastes at least one, but not two.
Don't eat your favorite dessert.
Bad idea. So why did we do that? What? I hate this.
Of all the do's and don'ts, the most important do is that you have a great holiday with the people that you love. Thanks so much for watching and have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye!